say, go shoot a man this, go shoot a man this. I'm not that type of person. Well, see now, this serious.
Hill are investigating a deadly double shooting. It happened last night, and police say 2 men were the victims.
How you all doing? Hope all doing great. Dancehall producer given name Jahreme Shelton, also called J-Man, the leader of the Bus Head Gang, was charged for the double murder of Muscle Man and Ford Lord. The incident took place on the 19th of October at Blueberry Hill Condos, Northwest 56th Avenue, near Oakland Park Boulevard, just after 9 p.m. The police reported that a barrage of shot was fired at the Blueberry Hill Condos car park. They said that the incident captured on a CCTV camera, where the shooting went on for 40 seconds. On their arrival at the car park, they stumbled upon 2 persons laying on the ground. Further check were made on both men, but it was too late. Both men have already passed. Investigations were carried out, but the neighbors couldn't identify the suspect. The barrage of shots that fired the residents said they were traumatized. Forensic investigations were carried out on the scene where evidence were collected. The police stated that there was a third person who also got injured in the incident, but was taken away from the scene by a waiting car. Shortly after the shooting, a nearby hospital informed the police that a patient arrived with what appeared to be shot wounds of a male person. The patient was in serious condition at the moment. Hence, the investigations had to discontinue until he was in a better condition. The patient has now been identified as 26 years old Jahreme Shelton, also known as J-Man, was charged for the dropping of the 2 men at the Blueberry Hill Condos apartment car park on October 19, 2022, known as Muscle Man and Ford Lord. Their official identity have not yet released by the police. Jahreme Shelton was charged for 2 counts of murder. The first charged is for murder premeditated in the first degree, and the second is murder premeditated in the first degree. No further information is being released. These are the role models the younger generations look up to. These are the one in the music industry representing dancehall on the international level. But are all these news still allegations towards the artist Squash Man? Is he really using his music career to hide his actions? Squash, you should be disappointed in yourself. To know how long you have been denying the facts that you are involved in gang activities. To you, this is not a good image you are painting for yourself. You can be both person. You can't be the 2 person. You got to choose one and stick with that one. If it's music, it's music. If it's badness, it's badness. You had your choice to make. No one was going to make any decision for you. You got your talent that some persons would be grateful to have, and essay it to do good, and elevate those around. Other walls closing in on you. Nowhere to turn but the ask for forgiveness and mercy from the Father. Him alone can help, if you not innocent. Jahreme Shelton J-Man, your friend, now in police custody with 2 charges of murder premeditated at first degree. Is that alarming? Only if you are not innocent. But God knows best. You spread your bed, you lay in it. Now once again, we will see where the loyalty lies between you and J-Man. Birds of a feather flock together. Old time people sayings never lies. You can't deny this about J-Man now. The last time you went live, you didn't mention J-Man. What's in the dark must come to light. Bless up yourself and continue doing music. Hope you stay away from trouble. You can't do music in the United States from behind bars. Sure not Jamaica. Always remember loyalty is for a time. The streets loves no one. Thank you. Keep safe.